Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and we're going to do some updates, some regular updates now. I wasn't planning on it, but the crowd has decided this is the way they want to go, and some people are helping the channel out, got me another test hood, so I appreciate that. So I can leave this just for long term on the ceramic coatings. So, as you saw in the last video, most of the stuff wiped away. I went ahead and put it back, so the coatings that did the best, in my opinion, were Seacorts UK 3.0, Black Rhino Graphics, Stark Liquid Thor, Stark Repel, Stark Liquid Kraken, Underdog Pro Plus, Ethos Max V2, DIY Detail Stack, the FaneLab and FaneLab V3 Stack, Ryan West 9H, System X's, they all did fine, Apex BC7, Meguiar's M888, and Geon Moe's Evo. Now everything else didn't do bad, it just those are the ones that really stood out. And I wanted to look real quick before we wash it. What really still stands out in gloss to me is Seacorts UK 3.0, Stark Liquid Thor, Stark Repel, Underdog Pro. Pro looks better than Pro Plus to me. Ethos Graphene Max V2. I know it's kind of hard to see from this angle. And then the FaneLab stack of FaneLab V3 and Overcoat and the DIY stack. That's what looks best to me, to my eyes. Results may vary, again, because that's from a chemical test. Now we're going to do a longevity test. So we're going to start the longevity test here. It's been 1 week that this hood has been outside. Now people have suggested that I put the hood outside and see if sitting in the sunlight helps the coatings heal up and do better again. That's apparently how the way it goes. Now, my dogs are outside in this yard. You can probably see the reflection of one of them. And my puppy got curious. He did scratch the hood here and here. But they've kind of left it alone since. Just curiosity got the best of them, so some scratches in there. And I did want to mention, of the open bottles that I had, they all did fine. Seacorts UK had been open for like a year, as well as SIC. Still did good. Ryan West Industries bottles had been open for a year. Still did really good. System X I got as open bottles. I don't know how long they'd been open. And Underdog Marine. So it seems that having the bottle open for a while, I store mine in a dark cabinet indoors in a garage. It's not always climate controlled, but it never gets below freezing, never gets too hot. In the summertime it is climate controlled. And they seem to do fine in there. So even in the open bottles, it just seems storage is what's most important here. So let's see how everything's doing before we wash it. As you can see, everything's still repelling, even Cerakote down here. These have some marks on it. I think that's from the dogs. So we're going to wash it with our acid shampoo. After this, I think I'm just going to move to a pH neutral shampoo. I just wanted to do acid wash from last time. The acid we're using is Koch Chemie reactivation shampoo. Let me know. Actually, you know what? I think I'll just keep washing this with acid every update. It's only once a month, right? Alright, now let's see if any of them are stored. You see Underdog Pro is pushing the soap off. Seacorts SIC is pushing it. A lot of these are pushing the soap off. You can see that, so they're still doing good. It's a bit chilly out here. I got a fire going on behind me. So yeah, sitting out in the sun did seem to bring some of them back to beating instead of slow sheeting. Even Cerakote still doing good down there. And Gloss Revolution barrel 3, I think it was, or barrel 1, whatever it was. That one's still sheeting away. Those are still the slowest performers in this test, but still doing good. Let's see if we flood it. How everything works. We'll do System X first. Sheet it away really fast. Cerakote a little bit slower than the rest. Everything there doing good. Everything there doing good. Easy Peasy Plus is a little slow now. Tim from Ethos did reach out to me. The Easy Peasy Plus, which is still pre-production, the ceramic supplier had an issue with the batch. So that one's kind of excluded from the test. It's not how the actual formula is going to be. I just wanted to mention that. These kind of things happen. Happen with Cerakote. It's happening with Ethos. Yeah, everything's still doing good, so. Perfect. We'll do monthly updates on this. I'm going to dry it with a drying towel because a lot of people say that using forced air can leave deposits behind. So let me go grab a microfiber and get this dried off. Alright, so we'll just use this little towel I got from Steve at Final Details. They don't have a ceramic coating yet. I'm sure he will in the future. Oh, this panel's so saturated it's hard to dry. It might just be the towel though. The towel might be saturated with too much SiO2 from using drying aids. Somebody did mention that drying with a towel is what killed their Cerakote. So we'll see if that's the case next update. Alright, so this is just going to sit out here in the elements. Still wintertime here in Texas, but we've had some warm days. And then starting in March, it's going to start getting hot again, so we'll see how everything does. Appreciate you watching. If use the links, if you're interested in any of these coatings, I've got links in the descriptions below. Use my discount code or my Amazon link. It helps the channel out, so I definitely appreciate that. But I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.